Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Shotory. And pretty much what it is a professional lavalier microphone that you can use to record stuff if you guys are doing an interview or if you guys are doing like some kind of vlog. But first thing first, let's open up and show you what comes at the package first. So when you guys first open the package, you guys get a little instruction guide on how to use the product and all the different functionality that's on here. And then next up, they give you a little baggie and basically everything is inside the baggie, as you can see. So inside the baggie itself, they provide you a cable, which is a micro USB to USB cable. They provide you some accessories so you can actually replace the microphone head if you guys want to, or if something's wrong with the one that you guys have, or if you guys lose it, you guys have extras just in case. And then they provide you another accessory that you can actually use for like your audio recording and whatnot. And they also provide you a little wind muffler that you can actually put this onto your microphone itself. You guys are recording outdoors or something, so that way you can block out the wind so you guys won't hear as much wind when you guys are recording it. But last but not least, it's the actual product itself inside the baggie. So on the product itself, you guys can see that the cable is actually super long. So if you guys wanted to just clip this microphone onto your shirt like this, if you guys want to put it inside your clothes like that, or you guys want to just hang like this, you guys can as well. But you guys can see how far it is in the audio recording. For the audio is actually pretty good using the product. So if you guys look at the product right here, there are 3 different options. There's the off option right here, there's a straight line, and there's a curved line here. So off is obviously means off. If you guys turn it on the one line, then that means it's actually on the regular audio. And if you guys turn it on the last and final one right here, this one would mean that it's lower the noise or cancel out kind of the noise when you guys are recording it. And then we turn on this side, you can see that there's a phone option and camera option. So depending on which device you guys want to use, you guys can adjust it based off that. So if you guys are using camera, you guys want to push it this way to use the camera. If you guys want to use a phone, just push it that way. And if you look right here, there's a micro USB slot to actually charge your product right here in order to use it. And if you guys look on the back side, you can use this little clip to clip it in place to where you guys want to, on your pants or whatever the case may be. And obviously for this cable right here, you guys want to plug it into your device to use it. So when you guys turn it on, the first light you guys see is a blue light, so that's how you guys know it's the indicator light. So for the product to show you guys when it's on and working. If you guys press it again, it should still be blue. If you guys ever see this light right here, right next to the blue light blinking red, that means you guys need to charge it because it's on low battery. But right now it's on full battery, so you guys don't have to worry about it. So the only way to find out whether or not this product is worth it and when it actually works is to go test it out. So let's go test it out first and then come back and talk about the product. Hey guys, this is a test. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Here's the test with the low noise cancellation option right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see it actually does work and it works really well. Really easy to use, really simple. You guys can definitely hear that the audio sounds really clear. Like there's not too much like noise and stuff, especially when you guys turn on the noise reduction option. Definitely really cool the fact that you can actually use this for basically anything. So you can use this for your phone, your camera, laptop, amplifiers, whatever the case may be that you guys want to use this for, you guys can use it for any scenario. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one and need one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have